Like most people, I use olive oil all the time when I'm cooking. Also, like most people, I usually end up using way more oil than I need. Our new cooking oil mister solves that problem. It's a refillable sprayer that you can fill with any of your cooking oils. It sprays a light, even coating on food and pans, and it's great for anyone looking to eat healthier and save a little money. It's also easy to use. Just pop off the cap, twist off the sprayer, and fill with oil. Be sure not to fill the mister past the fill line, which is clearly marked here. Next, take the sprayer and twist it back on, and use the cap to give the mister a few really good pumps. Then spray. When the spray weakens, give the mister a few more good pumps. Then spray again. Now off to the grill.